perfect square trinomial is? It's something like this. I'll do it like this. X plus or minus some number squared. Everybody understands? Yes? Okay. What do I need in order to complete the square? In order to complete the square, you must use b over 2 squared. This gives you 2 answers. Everybody remember that from last week. Okay, I got only 2 thumbs up. 2 people who remember this. Thank you, Maimuna. All right, so before I get started, let me solve the b over 2 squared. So b over 2 squared is equal to, this is my b, the negative 12. So I write negative 12 for my b divided by 2, square it. That gives me negative 6 squared. Negative 6 times negative 6 is positive 36. Please remember, this is my factor answer. This is my box answer. Everyone understand? Good. So I'm going to write p squared minus 12p plus 4 equals 0. I'm going to subtract 4 from both sides. Step 1 is move c to the other side. So now I have p squared plus 12p, add a box, equals negative 4, add a box. This is step 2, add a box. Everybody understand? Good. Well, I already did my b over 2 squared, and I said that 36 was going to be the box answer. So I get now p squared plus 12p plus, what's my box answer? 36 plus 36 is equal to negative 4 plus 36. Everyone understand? So step 3 is add box answer. Okay, so now I have p squared plus 12p plus 36 equals negative 4 plus 36 is 32. Everyone understand? Good. Let me resize this because I'm running out of space. There we go. And then I'm going to zoom back in. All right. So now what? Now I factor. But I don't really need to factor because I already know the negative 6 is my factor. So I end up with 2 sets of parentheses equal to 32 p minus 6. Minus 6. Minus 6. Hey! I can write this side as a perfect square trinomial. So I end up with p minus 6 squared, which is equal to 32. So step 4 is to write trinomial as a perfect square binomial. Everyone understand? Goody. So now, this is not solving for p. Not solve for p. All we did here is completed the square. That's all we did. Everyone understand? Good. So now let's solve for p. So I have p minus 6 squared is equal to 32. Well, if I want to solve for p, I need to get rid of the squared. How do I do that? I must take the square root of both sides. Something squared, the opposite to undo the squared, take the square root. Everyone understand? Good. So leaving me with p minus 6 is equal to the square root of 32. We know when we take the square root of a number, we get 2 answers. Everybody remember that. Good. So I'm going to put a little space and I'm going to say plus or minus the square root of 32. Well, I need to solve for p. So I'm going to add 6. Add 6 to both sides. P is equal to 6 plus or minus the square root of 32. Everyone understand? Okay. Please remember, I have 2 answers. One is minus, and the other one is plus. So I'm going to go to my calculator. So I'm going to say, all right, calculator, here it is. Calculate for me. 6 plus, we're going to do a plus first. Plus, second, x squared gives me the radical, 32. Enter. I get 11.656. I'm going to round that to 11.7. Everyone understand? Goody. So, I get P is equal to, the green is the plus, 11.7. Now, I'm going to solve for the minus. P equals, so now I say, calculator, 6 minus second x squared, 32. Hit enter. I get 0.343. So, that's 0.3. So, P equals 0.3. Everybody understand? Yes? Good. What does this mean? This means that I have 2 roots, 2 solutions, 2 zeros, where my y value will be 0 when it's 11.7 and 0.3. Everybody understand? Let me prove it to you. The formula was the equation was p squared minus 12p plus 4. So let me go to the calculator. Y equals, I'm going to say instead of p, I'm going to say x squared minus 12x plus 4. That was the equation, correct? Yes, it was. And then I hit graph. When I hit graph, I get this parabola right here. Take a look. When I tap on this, see where it says 0 in red? Everybody sees where it says 0 in red. Oh, look at the upper left-hand corner at the very top of my screen. X equals 0.343. Y equals 0. Now, let me go to the other 0. The other 0, oh, 11.656. That can be rounded to 11.7. And the y is 0. Everyone understand? Goody. So, now, Miss, what the heck are we doing today? We're going to be talking about quadratic formula. The formula will be